Okay, so I kind of forgot to show the skin tone, but I swear I literally use the flowers of this hair every single outfit now. Hashtag obsessed. Okay, let's see. I think I'm probably gonna go brown hair. A classic, super cute. And then for the style of the character, I think I'm gonna do sort of like maybe pinks, purples. Obsessed with those colours. I don't know. I'm just gonna figure out as I go along. But okay, I'm gonna get a face now. I don't know. This face is really cute, but looks a little dead on the inside. Not the vibe. Too smiley, and I don't think it really goes well with the hair. Yes. Okay, I already did skin tone. Time to put on my go-to items, which I wear for every outfit. Okay, like I said, I'm going to do a sort of purpley pink skin tone. Not skin tone, I mean colour scheme, I think. By the way, this is my first time doing like a voiceover, so bear with. Alright, maybe a lighter pink, yeah. Okay, pretty cute. Now, time for more flowers. I'm actually so obsessed with this item. I know brown might seem like a bit of a strange choice, but trust the process and it comes together really nicely. Oh my, you good, cats? You good? Okay, they're a little crazy. Don't mind that. Yes, butterflies. I'm gonna do like an eyebrow. Bear with me while I'm figuring this out. And bear with the cats in the background. Okay, do I have to put it like on head or something? Wait. Okay, that's too many. There. Maybe like a pink colour? Yeah. That's good. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around till I find an item I want to wear. Sorry, my cat's trying to get like a spider. I swear I put on the tights with almost every outfit. It's just another layer of detail. Okay, so I just put on pants and whatnot. Now I'm adding some accessories. Wait, the flower would go perfectly. Time for jewelry. Okay. Let me see. What do I want to wear? The right knee one does not look cute. You can't even see it, but like it's glitching. Anyway, right upper arm. Yeah, okay. That's cute. And then left cross would be better. Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, these glasses are actually super cute. Love them. And then more jewelry, because why not? Now, I need shoes. Okay, what colour do I want? Oh, that's a nice colour. Then I'm going to try and get like the sleeves. That's the butterfly top. It might look good, I'll just try and colour it. No, it's like clipping. Oh god. Okay, Go, can you realise that it's clipping and take it off? Go. Yeah. And I ran out of time. Right, so these are the winners, and let's see what place I got. 6. Almost last. Okay.